Everybody, last I left you, I had recorded the video on my phone, I had uploaded it to YouTube, I had managed it, and I gave you a little introduction to the YouTube studio. Um, so I'm gonna finish the job here and show you how to embed the video you took. So let me go back to the main thing here. So if you go to, let's say, I use a bookmark to get to my channel, and then I do everything from there. So let's just say YouTube, um, you got to the main YouTube site, right? You just went to youtube.com. Here we are, youtube.com. You're logged in to your account here. You click your um, channel up here in the top right. Okay, so I click my face, your channel. So now I'm at my channel. All right, so you might just see your video down here and just be able to go to it from there. If you don't see it there, if you don't see your video right here, you want to go into the YouTube studio that I had shown you right over here on the right. You're going to click that. If you, this is again, if you don't see your video there and you're not sure where it went, then you go to your videos here, and here they are. There it is. You know, if you uploaded it as private, remember, you want to put it to public now or unlisted. You want to publish it. I just make all mine public at this point. No big deal. Over here, I'm going to, I already edited the name and stuff for this when I uploaded it. I'm just calling it AP Physics C Rotational Energy Video 3. I had set that up right for my phone for this video. I had already uploaded it, took this video this morning and uploaded it. I'm just going to leave that as the name. And now I want to embed it. So I have my topics section for this course that it's related to, AP Physics C right here, ready to go. I'm in my YouTube studio over here. So to embed it, you have to view it on YouTube. So I could have done that back on the previous screen in my YouTube channel because I did see the video there. But I often just go in here and see who already commented on this. I literally just uploaded this. But anyhow, oh yeah, cool video. Keep it up, dude. This guy, Tom. Anyway, uh, I view it on YouTube. All right, and there it is. So this is what it looks like on YouTube. I go right here to share. There's two ways to do this. You can hit share or you can right click. I don't do copy embed code because it makes it too big. I guess you could probably factor it down over here, then do it. I always go down here to share, and then you can either post a link to the video, but I prefer to embed. So I hit embed, it automatically highlights it. I do Control C, or I right click and copy. Then I go over to my course page. I find the topic. Like I said before, I always go into it first and forget to hit the edit button, but right now I'm thinking of it, so I hit the edit button. I've got a lot of videos in this topic. Again, I'm putting the new ones at the bottom. The kids are used to that pattern by now. Here it is. I'm keeping my naming scheme similar here. So I had video 1 introduction, video 2 parallel axis theorem, and now I'm going to have rotational kinetic energy. This is conservation energy problem. All right, my embed code right here. I can either right click and paste, or I can do Control V. Again, the size here, 560 versus 315. That is the way I want it. If you're going to embed an outside source, I can show you that really quick. Let's say I wanted to do it like this. I'll make a second one for you. I right click here and I did copy embed code. Well, when you put it into a I'll just make I'm going to delete this one immediately. So I'm just going to call it test, Control V. All right, note the size. That is bigger than what it is when you use the other method of embedding. So let me show you what that looks like just so you can see. So I'll preview this topic. All right. So yeah, this was an issue I had to fix. Blah blah blah. Don't place them in the homework. Yep, that was my fault. All right. So here it is. Here's the one I did first, where I pasted the code from by hitting the share button. This is when I pasted it by right clicking and doing embed code. See, it's just too big, right? It's just too big. You can watch these and you can make it full screen. That's fine. You don't need to make it big. It causes this weird overlap. It's ugly. I got to give credit to Mr. Roboto, Luke Roboto, for showing me how to resize this. But so now I'm just going to go back into my topic. If you want to change the size, I can show you that. I always forget what the numbers are. It's 560 and 315, the proper size, 560, 315. So I go into this one, and you literally just change this to 560 and 315. And this is if you're posting, typically you have to do this if you are posting like an enrichment video, something that already exists on YouTube, and you want to post it. Like I posted a Bill Nye video, and I had to change the size to make it work well. And now when you see it, preview topic, you'll see if I go down to the bottom now, the test video is the right size. But like I said, I'm going to just get rid of that to show you how to embed it. That's how I do it. That's how I embed my videos. Pretty darn simple. I like it that way. Again, if they subscribe to my YouTube channel, they can see it that way. Or, oh, look it, I messed up the name. Not consistent. Talking and typing video 3. All right, there we go. I like that. Make sure the naming scheme is consistent. So yeah, I think that's about it. I got off track there, but we're all set, ready to go. Topic looks good. All right, if anybody has any questions on that, shoot me an email. I can help you figure that out. I think that concludes my series of how I use my phone and YouTube and posting. If anybody is handy and they want a better picture of my DIY document camera thing, let me know. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Be good. Have fun.